Hi, I'm Kyle Flicky, and today I'm going to teach you how to identify the wonderful trilliums of Pennsylvania. There are 43 species of trilliums worldwide, with 38 of them native to North America. The majority of these species occur in the eastern United States or Appalachia region. Here in Pennsylvania, we are lucky enough to have 7 native species. The trilliums, or commonly known as wake robins, belong to the Liliaceae or lily family. These plants are part of the spring ephemerals, which are plants that flower before the trees leaf out. They do this to collect sunlight and become pollinated before other plants begin to outcompete them for sunlight. The plants are referred to as a scape because they are an extension of a rhizome or underground root. The leaves are not true leaves and are referred to as bracts. However, many resources refer to them as leaves. Trilliums can be pollinated by bees, wasps, beetles, and flies, with many species relying on ants and mice to disperse their seeds. Each of the trilliums that we're going to be identifying today are all going to have the same key characteristics, and those are going to be 3 leaves or bracts, 3 sepals, 3 petals, 1 central ovary that has 3 stigmas that catches the pollen, and also 6 stamens that surround that ovary. The snow trillium is one of the earliest spring ephemerals to emerge in late February to early March, where it can be observed blooming through remnant wintering snow. Each shortly pedunculed leaf is olive green to green and is oval to ovate shape. A single flower is held on a short, erect peduncle and bears 3 white petals and 3 slightly recurved green sepals. Inside the flower is a central ovary that bears 3 recurved stigmas surrounded by 6 stamens with bright yellow anthers. The snow trillium is threatened in Pennsylvania, with its range being limited to the southwestern portion of the state. The decline trillium has broadly obovate leaves, with the base of each leaf being wedge-shaped and the terminal end tapering to a blunt tip. The peduncle, or structure that supports the flower, is slightly relaxed, giving the flower a drooping appearance. The petals are slightly recurved and cream-colored. The central ovary is also cream-colored and has a dab of pink at the tip. Looking closer, we can see the 3 white recurved stigmas surrounded by 6 stamens with pale yellow anthers. The decline trillium is threatened in Pennsylvania. This species is limited to the southeast and southwestern portions of the state. The nodding trillium has 3 broadly oval to diamond-shaped leaves. The flower nods below these leaves due to a strictly curved peduncle. The flower has 3 recurved white petals that are slightly larger than its 3 recurved green sepals. The central ovary is white-colored with 3 recurved stigmas. The 6 stamens surround the ovary and have pinkish to purple anthers. The decline trillium is threatened in Pennsylvania and can be found in the southeast and western portions of the state. The large flower trillium is the grandest trillium of all. The oval to ovate green leaves can reach 6 inches long and 5 inches across. The flower is showcased atop of an erect peduncle and has 3 magnificent white petals. Looking closer, we can see a central white ovary that bears 3 slightly curved dull yellow stigmas. Surrounding the ovary are 6 stamens with bright yellow anthers. The large flower trillium can be observed throughout the entire state. The painted trillium, which is now in the genus Trillidium, can be identified by its 3 blue-green stalked leaf-like bracts. The flower contains 3 wavy petals that are splashed with a magenta coloring. Looking closer, the central ovary is pink-colored and bears 3 recurved white stigmas, which are surrounded by 6 stamens that contain magenta to white-colored anthers. The painted trillium can be observed throughout central and northeast Pennsylvania. The Sessile Trillium, or toadshade, has 3 ovate to oval shaped leaves that are mottled with various green colors. A sessile flower can be observed with 3 greenish or purplish sepals that lie above the plane of the leaves. The strongly ascending petals are dark maroon colored and slightly curve inward towards the apex. Inside the petals is a central ovary surrounded by 6 stamens that contain yellow striped anthers. The Sessile Trillium can be found throughout all of Pennsylvania. The red trillium has 3 oval rhombic leaves and an erect to ascending peduncle that produces a slightly nodding flower with 3 maroon petals. In the center is a dark maroon ovary with 3 gold recurved stigmas. 6 stamens with gold-colored anthers surround the ovary. The red trillium can be found throughout all of Pennsylvania.